Alright, did I get a fortress already? The Super Mario Maker 2 are just already I just get Super Mario Maker 2 called a pizza. Yeah, Happy New Year! Ah, yay! Happy New Year! That's what they done. That's what they don't. They don't lie. Right? Let's do the full station. Alright, there's a second wish.
Gregorio tiene tanto tiempo que casi a la media hora todos los que estamos en la cava estamos seguros que ya tiene casi para emplatar lo que tenía planificado. Esperamos un platillo, un platillo.
It is getting a good results, I guess. Let's go check the fireworks over there. Do you see a fireworks in it? Is that getting real good? I'm gonna check, and then it's just gonna direction. Alright, well you can. So close. I think when I get a one step. Alright, now look at the game. You see, you'll get the direction.